I am unboxing another B.Witching Bath Company product box. They come with the prettiest like tissue paper, and I save this for my own gifts. I'm not even kidding. I've done it every time. This is the lotion. This is in Prairie Flowers, which I've never smelled before, but they describe it as color for blooms, aromas of sweet bluebells, poppy, and milkweed entwined with sheer sweet pea, fresh berry, and a delicate musk. So I'm kind of excited. Oh man. I love that smell. And they also sent it in a liquid cleanser. My personal favorite, the candle. Oh, yes. Oh my God. This is gonna be such a good smell. I'm so excited for my house to smell like this. All right, B.Witching knocked it out of the park once again.